For today's travel, we are going to Barangay Colasi. Biyahe na tayo! The history of the barangay revolves around its patron, San Nicolas. This is the only place that I know so far that has two patron saints, San Nicolas de Bari and San Nicolas de Tolentino. There was actually a man who said, "Ki papo Colas," which means, "Which spoke Colas?" And the priest only heard Colas and has responded, "Colasi?" which means Colas, yes. And from that time, they addressed the place as Colasi. A warm welcome from our tour guide. Come on, let's meet him. Hi guys, good morning. This is your Tinderong Viajero. Currently, I am here at Barangay Colasi with Mr. Rey Rafael.
Ako po si Kgwd Rey Rafael, ang Barangay Tourism Chairman aming pong barangay.
Now, let's hear the story of their patron saints.
Parokya po ni San Nicolas at ang aming barangay ay nagmula po sa ating minamahal na patron. Na dati po ay isang magsasaka at mangingisda na dumayo po sa karagatan upang mangisda. Pagpunta niya po sa Pangpang ay may nakita po siyang isang maliit na santo at ito po si San Nicolas de Bari. Noon po ang pagkakilala po ng ating mga mangingisda, ito po pala ay si San Nicolas de Tolentino na magkaroon po na pagsiyasat po ang ating po na malawis po na pagtanto nila na si San Nicolas de Tolentino po ay hindi siya ang original na santo na pagkakilala po ng ating mamamayan. Kaya po nagkaroon po ng pagsasaayos at pagpapakilala na si San Nicolas de Bari po ay ikalawang patron namin dito po sa aming parokya. Na sa katunayan po, ito po ang pinaka-santo po namin, San Nicolas de Tolentino. Na ngayon po, pinagdiriwang namin ang kanyang kapistahan tuwing Setyembre.
The two saints have great spiritual relationship. Did you know that San Nicolas de Tolentino was named after San Nicolas de Bari? Since her mother has a great devotion to San Nicolas de Bari, he has significantly influenced the younger San Nicolas de Tolentino that motivated him to become a saint himself. San Nicolas de Bari is the universal patron saint of sailors in which the locals have great devotion as their primary source of income is fishing. Aside from having a great history, this place is full of surprises. Just for 3 minutes of walking, you will be able to see their coastal area facing San Miguel Bay, and it's not just a regular beach. The place has lots of pebbles in different sizes that would totally amaze you. Sa mga emo dyan, this is actually a good place for you. Makinig ka lang sa mga kanta ni Moira tapos konting emote-emote dyan sa kilid, then boom! Parang ganito. Oops, parang ibang version na tayo na. Tara na nga! Anyway, if you don't want to go to the beach, there is an alternative. From their barangay hall, it would only take you 3 to 5 minutes of driving and you'll get there. If the ambience of their beach is perfect for the broken heart or those reminiscing their past, Libtong River is perfect for family and love. Tamis!
Matagal na panahon nakitang balak tanungin. May pag-asa ba ko, bakit di pa sagutin? Sabihin mo ano pa ba ang dapat kong gawin? Bukod sa araw-araw kitang dapat mahalin.
Wala na, uwian na, may nanalo na. Kidding aside, grabe ang linaw ng tubig and I'm sure mag-e-enjoy ang mga kids nyo dito. Our next destination are for those people who are either YOLO, ready for adventure, or para sa mga nagmo-move on because the only option that you have here is to move forward. Arat na!
Lalakad na kami paakyat. Sabi nila, 15 minutes of trekking daw. Guys, malapit na tayo. Diyan na yung falls. Pero nakakatakot yung daan. Masyadong matarik. Ano na. Palapit na kami. Pero ang taas. Grabe. Masyadong madulas. Kaya kailangan mo talagang malalay. Ay, nako. Struggle is real.
Nako, mukhang magiging ala Spider-Man tayo dito.
Oh, come on.
At last, nandito na tayo! Whether you're here for an adventure or you just want to relax and move on from all the problems in life, or maybe you're looking for the one, just like Barangay Colasi that found San Nicolas unexpectedly that changed lives of many people, baka dito mo rin matagpuan ang hinahanap mo because sometimes the best things in life are the unexpected, and for you to know that, you really need to travel. Kaya tara na sa Colasi Falls!